The first option is to shampoo. So I'm just going to grab the wash gun, press the button once to switch it on. We've got some nice warm water and the shampoo coming out of the... Once you've finished shampooing, just click the button again to turn it off. Rinse the shampoo off, we turn the nozzle here to rinse. And we rinse off all the soap suds. This only takes between 30 and 60 seconds, depending on the size and the coat of your dog. The next step is the conditioner. We use a natural conditioner. Leaves your dog's coat nice and shiny and soft. Now we just rinse the conditioner out. Just a quick rinse, doesn't take too long. There's an option here to use the flea and tick rinse. It's a natural flea and tick rinse, no nasty chemicals at all. So the next step is to blow dry your dog. We start on the low blow dry so as not to startle the dog. It's a nice warm heat. It's safe for your dog. It can take up to 3 or 5 minutes, depending on the dog. So I'm just going to put a couple more dollars in here to add some extra time, and we'll blow dry first. Once she's used to the low speed, we flick it up to the higher speed, and just make sure it dries a bit quicker. So once your dog is clean and dry, we get them out of the tub.